Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the latest on Hurricane Delta, as well as its possible impacts on the ArkLaTex as we go through Friday and Friday night. Right now, the storm is over the Gulf of Mexico as it has emerged from the Yucatan coast. Max winds as of the 1 o'clock advisory at 100 miles per hour as Delta is moving towards the northwest at 17. Latest advisory, this the 10 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center shows the storm is expected to regain strength, becoming a Category 3 hurricane. Looking at landfall, probably still as a major hurricane or pretty close to it. Strong 2, low 3 possible here that will occur. That says Friday morning 7 a.m. But it looks like that 7 a.m. is for the last indicator here. This probably will occur sometime middle of Friday. You can see by the time we get to Friday evening, it will be very close to Alexandria and then should move into Mississippi Friday by Saturday morning, I should say. Still could be a hurricane as it moves into central Louisiana. So obviously we will be looking at some decent impacts over the southeastern edge of the area. That's what we're looking at, some of those impacts. First of all, of course, rain, a big concern with these tropical systems. The heaviest of the rain likely will occur closer to the Mississippi River, near and to the right of the track of Delta. Here in the ArkLaTex, basically from Magnolia to Shreveport to Center, we're looking at anywhere from 1 to as much as 5 inches, with the 5-inch totals probably over the southeastern edge of the area, down in southern Natchitoches Parish, as you can see here. Those reds indicate on this map that's anywhere from 5 to 8 inches. So again, the heaviest of the rain will occur to our south and to our east. Again, we could be looking at some flooding concerns as a result of this over the southeastern edge of the area. Another concern will be the wind. We could see some gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour over the southeastern edge of the area. According to the National Hurricane Center, this is the probability of experiencing such wind. You can see in Manny over 50% in Natchitoches. As you get closer to Alexandria, that percentage does jump in excess of 70%. So there is a pretty good shot we'll see some wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour over the southeast edge of the area. Again, that risk does dramatically decline as you work your way to the northwest. Only 30%, 31 to be exact, as far as that chance for tropical storm force winds in Shreveport. Power outages will become an issue. Could have some scattered outages, although probably not quite as widespread as we experienced with Laura, the way it looks right now, based on the current track. Models are starting to come together with some of the morning runs on settling on the solution very close to the current Hurricane Center track. But keep in mind, if it does move further to the west, everything I've shown you also shifts to the west, and the impacts could be more significant across the area. Now, what happens here? Let's show you the timing of the rainfall, as it will begin as soon as tomorrow. As we look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast, you can see the clouds increase across the area tonight. As we go through Thursday, we'll see areas of rain with some thunder, a possibility. Thursday night, we are looking at a cloudy sky with the rain increasing, especially over the southeast half of the area. And then that area of rain will continue to shift to the north and will get heavier over northwest Louisiana, especially possibly parts of deep east Texas. But you can clearly see the heaviest rains from Delta will be over parts of north central and northeast Louisiana by Friday evening, and all that will continue to shift to the northeast during the evening hours. And you can see the Futurecast does have the center very close to the Hurricane Center forecast, so this appears to be a reasonable solution as far as the timing and the rainfall projections that we expect to see across the area. So, once Delta does clear the region, we are looking at a drier and warmer weather pattern for Sunday, Monday, and then we'll see a couple of fronts possibly arrive moving through next week. The first will arrive Tuesday with a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Second could arrive towards the latter portion of next week, say Friday. And this is what it means as far as our 7-day forecast. With the clouds and rain, 70s return tomorrow, Friday. We'll struggle to make it into the 80s depending on how quickly the rain ends Saturday. We'll see upper 80s for Sunday and Monday. And then cold front comes in Tuesday, chance for some thunderstorms. And behind that front, highs will settle back into the mid to upper 70s. Lows will settle back into the 50s. So again, Hurricane Delta, we'll see the rains begin possibly as soon as tomorrow, reach their peak Friday night, and then finally come to an end as we look ahead to Saturday.